Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar Swiss just recently took out the previous highs. I actually think that we are likely to have at least another wave up. We have FOMC interest rate coming out today, which is a big news event for sure, and I will be live streaming for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news event release. But right now on the US dollar Swiss 1 hour time frame, I think it needs to go up and hit the 61%. I think there's a good chance that either prior to the news or maybe even at the news, we're going to get a big push up. Then if it reverses back down and gives me a break of structure like this, that's what would tell me that this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wave pattern is complete. And because the weekly time frame trend is technically still down, if I see a end of a trend on the 1 hour to 4 hour time frame range, I definitely will go back to looking for sells because the trend could keep on going down. Now I'm only going to do that if it gets a break of structure because there's no reason to say it has to stop here. It could keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So definitely looking for logs until I get that break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.